Hey friends, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a keyboard, and specifically this is going to be a Magic keyboard from Apple, but it'll work exactly the same for most of these portable Bluetooth keyboards. We're going to add that to our iPad. Now, is this necessary? No, you do have a built-in keyboard, obviously with the iPads, but if you're working on this as your primary device, having a nice tactical experience with the keyboard just makes the process so much easier. Let's jump into it. Now, first things first, we need to make sure our keyboard is powered up and turned on. So there's a charging port on the back of these keyboards. Again, this is the Magic keyboard, and you can charge it up with that if you need your power. And then over here, we're gonna have our power on button. Obviously, you can see the Magic keyboard is turned on when you see the green. Again, if you're using an additional Bluetooth keyboard, make sure it is turned on. We then need to come over to our iPad, and we're going to go into settings. I'm just going to hit this little gear icon. And then we're going to get a bunch of options here in our settings. And we're looking for the Bluetooth over here. Once I'm in Bluetooth, you're going to come up here, make sure that is flipped over and is on. And then once you do that, you should be able to see in other devices, your keyboard will pop up down here. In this case, I've named it Scott's Magic Keyboard, but this may also show up as the model number for the keyboard you're trying to connect. I'm going to click on this. And then as you can see, after just a couple of seconds, it's now connected, and we can come down here and we can actually type and use this now. One of the other things you can do is actually click on this little I or info button. And this is where you're going to be able to disconnect things. You can actually change the name on here as well, which is really nice. So again, you can kind of dial things in to make sure the device is appropriate to you. Okay, we've got a new note going just to test things out. It's going to go ahead and hit a bunch of different buttons here. As you can see, it's now typing. Again, not necessary, but so much better as far as functionality goes to have a portable keyboard when you're working for long extended times in your iPad. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. Make a ton of these little Apple tutorial videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.